So it's Wednesday, August 29th, 2019, 5 p.m. Started at 3 today. So tired. So today I got my 5th letter from my 5th physician, the thoracic physician who actually caused MetLife to drop me in the first place. Finally got that letter that I requested in April for a certified letter that he ignored. So he wrote a really good letter, but some of the content is frightening. Like he says this condition that a lot of people don't live after 3 years. Something I don't quite understand it yet. Something about eating and your systems can turn into pneumonia and kills people with this condition. So it's a little nerve-wracking to read that. Maybe I'll post the letter. I don't know. This is just really exhausting. And it's so erratic, it's hard to even explain. You get so tired talking about it. You know, and every time I talk about it, it changes, and it makes you feel like you're sort of a liar when, no, that's the way it was that day. If I say it's 3 or 4 times a week on average, then it switches to 6 or 7 times, and then it goes to just switches around so much, so it doesn't matter what you say, it's going to be different all the time. That's what's so frustrating about it. It's just constantly changing, but it's never for the better. Never, ever for the better. It's never, all I ever asked for was just, if I got 2 weeks, pick up free, I would think that I would be in the clear. And I've only gotten 9 days 3 times in 3.5 years, and it's been a long time, actually, over a year and a half to 2 years since that last 9 day. So now it's 4 to 7 days a week, because June was almost every day except for 6 days. That just changed everything. So this is really hard. This is emotional. Hard to stay centered, focused. I've been with McKenna and Wishingrad now. McKenna 11 months and Wishingrad 8, and I still don't have any. They still haven't done anything. They talk about it. Now they're talking about it again. We haven't done anything to advance this condition, and that is very concerning to me. Very concerning. There's not much more to do. I don't want to just be a guinea pig either. I want people poking and prodding and tearing up my body and putting things in that they don't know, leaving me scarred. Just to say it didn't work. This is hard. This is really, really hard.